Hi students, how are you? I hope so you all are good. Okay, today we are going to solve the question number 3, exercise 14D. It's about the volume and the surface area of the composite solid. It's the grade actually the D1. Okay, now let's move to the question. A solid is made of the cylinder of the diameter is 10 centimeter and the height is given to us, which is the 3 centimeter, and another bigger cylinder of the diameter 25 centimeter and the height is the 2 centimeter. Look at this cylindrical solid is given to us, which is the bigger one, whose radius is 25 and height is 2 centimeter, and another solid is fixed on it whose diameter, actually it's diameter not the radius, the diameter of the smaller cylinder is the 10 centimeter and the height is the 3 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of the composite solid and the total surface area of the composite solids. What we have to do, we know that the volume of the cylinder is given by the pi r square h. We will find the volume by this formula of the smaller and the bigger cylinder, and then we will add them. When we talk about the total surface area, we first of all we find out that bigger cylinder surface area by the formula 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, and then we will find out the smaller one. But the thing is this, in this question we will focus on the base of the smaller cylinder, which is overlapped with the top of the bigger cylinder. So we will neglect, or we may say that we will subtract the 2 times of the surface, 2 times of the circle area, actually pi r square 2 times, mean to say we have to subtract the 2 pi r square from the total surface area. Okay, let's move toward its solution. Okay students, here the question solution is already for you, is ready. Now look at here, we have to find out the total volume, the total surface area. For the smaller area we'll use the formula pi r square h, where the pi comes as it is the radius of the smaller cylinder. As the diameter is 10, then obviously radius will be half of that, 5 centimeter, 5 square, and h is the 3 centimeter of this cylinder. So we'll make it, and when we will calculate with the help of the calculator, we got its volume. When we move toward the bigger cylinder whose diameter is 25, then obviously the radius will be half of that, and we will consider it the radius of this thing will be 12.5 centimeter. Okay, 12.5 centimeter is the radius of this bigger cylinder, and height will be the 2 centimeters. So we will put it here at the place of this. When we calculate, this is happening here. When we talk about the volume of the composite solid, mean this volume plus this volume, we get the total volume of this composite solid. So we did it here accordingly. When we will add them and multiply by 3.14, actually the value of pi, we got it the total volume. Okay, when we talk about the total surface area, we know that total surface area for bigger cylinder comes up with the formula 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. This is when we move toward the smaller cylinder, as we have already done that, we will neglect the 2 pi r square as I briefly described before the solution, starting the solution. So we write it here only the 2 pi r h, and we neglect the minus 2 pi r square from here. Okay, so we'll just put their values accordingly. When we'll do so and calculate with the help of calculator, we get the value of the total surface area of this composite solid. I hope so you'll get it. Take care and bye.